Okay, I'm going to show you how to access a copy of Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. If you are under 13, a parent has to do this. That is very important. It's actually illegal for somebody under 13 to do this because it requires a sign-in. So you're going to go to internetarchive.org. And then you are going to type in this bar. Oh, actually, you're going to sign in. I signed out so I could sign back in. You're going to sign in. If you don't already have an account, you're going to hit sign up for free. And it doesn't ask for much, but it does ask for your email address. And therefore, it has to be done by a parent if you're under 13. Very important. I already have an account, so I will put my in here. Okay. All right, so once I'm signed in, then I will search. All I need to do is put the title of the book in here, Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban, but it is really important that I spell it correctly. There's some misspellings that may come up here. Just put it in like that. Make sure you have it spelled correctly. Hit go. The thing that will happen is that a lot of things are going to come up. You do not want the first thing that comes up here. I'm not even sure what that is. What you want is this copy right here, this particular copy. Some of these other copies will not work. If you pull one of them up, you will quickly see they won't work though, and you can come back and try again. The clue that you have the right copy, because I can't guarantee it's going to come up in this exact same spot, is that it has over 2,000 views on it. So this one is the one that you want. So what you'll do then is click borrow. And actually, I've already borrowed it. I'll return it so I can borrow it again. Right now, this is actually being called the emergency library, just for now, I think until maybe June. I'm not sure exactly. The books are being made available for anyone to check out for an unlimited amount. So this is normally you would never be able to check out Harry Potter. The wait list would be so unbelievably long you wouldn't be able to get it. But for now you can get it. So I would just hit borrow this book. And then this is what it looks like. And I can literally just flip through the pages. You can see that's a little small. I can get to a full screen and I can, toggle out like that. And you'll be able to read the whole thing. And that is how you do it.